Hi, in this video I will show you how to remove the duplicates from your Excel sheet. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your Excel sheet and enter your data, or simply open your any Excel sheet you want to delete the duplicates from that. And once you will do that, you have to select the data that you want to see the duplicates option. So right now I have entered YouTube, Insta and the Discord and YouTube again. So here YouTube is duplicated in my sheet. So how to remove this duplication? So first of all, you have to click on the data option, and in the data option you will see a remove duplicate option here. You have to simply tap on it. Once you will tap on it, you will see you a column D is duplicated. You can simply click on the select all, or you can unselect all. So after that, select all and click on the OK. And once you will click on the OK, it will give a pop-up like one duplicate value found and removed, three unique value remains. So I duplicated the YouTube here, so Excel remove that, and other remaining three fields are same like that. So in this way you can remove or duplicate values in your Excel sheet. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.